that you would like to answer? Again, what question have you never been asked that you would like to answer? And I'll give you the floor.
Thank you. This is the most crucial part of the competition, as we are not just being scored because of beauty, but also our intellectual capacity. Now, if I am going to repeat a question that was asked to me, what specific question was never asked to me that I would want to answer? Ladies and gentlemen, there are so many questions that have been asked to me, especially throughout my experiences in pageant. However, one of the questions that I would want to answer that was never asked to me is, am I ready to die? That question is very sentimental to me, and I would want to answer that question tonight. It's because that is one of my fears. My fear is to die. My fear is to experience death. Mainly because at this moment, my parents aren't ready to lose me yet. My parents are not prepared to lose me yet. I am the breadwinner of our family. And if I am going to die now, they might be losing the opportunity to experience better life in the future. They might be losing the opportunity in order for them to experience fancy restaurants, travel the world, see the beauty of what God has created. I would want to answer that question. It's because I would want my parents to know that I am not ready to die because I haven't given everything to them at this point. I am not ready to die yet because I haven't uplifted the type of living that they have at this moment. And I hope that if I am going to reach that momentum, I was successful in giving them that life because that is what they deserve. That is what they should experience throughout the process of accepting me, loving me, and supporting me. And I wish that when I reach that moment, when I'm already dying, when I'm already in my last day or in my last breath, my parents are stable enough. My parents are already stable enough for them to continue life, because once again, I am not yet ready to lose myself, because I know that if I'm gonna lose myself, eventually it's gonna be difficult for them, especially that they are aging, especially that it's becoming harder for them to earn. And I wish that all of the children will also realize the importance of giving life, giving the goodness to their family. Because in the end, the love that the parents have given us should be reciprocated. Thank you.